In just 7 days, AI bankrupted a $15 billion company and dragged its own creator into the court and built something that can replace an entire team in one click. And that's not even the biggest story of the week. Hi, I'm Tanya and welcome to AI Ki Taza Khabar, your weekly dose of everything happening in AI. Let's get started. Silicon Valley's biggest civil war is now in court. Elon Musk has officially sued Sam Altman and OpenAI. Musk claims betrayal. He says OpenAI was created as a non-profit for humanity, but it turned into a profit-driven giant. And now his demands are massive. Remove leadership, return to non-profit, and redirect billions back. And OpenAI isn't backing down. They claim Musk himself supported the for-profit model, and now he's trying to slow down a competitor while building his own AI company. With names like Satya Nadella expected to testify, this isn't a lawsuit anymore. This is a fight for who controls the future of AI. Next up is Chegg. Remember Chegg? That $15 billion homework empire that every student swore by. It's basically over. The moment ChatGPT and AI tutors hit the internet, Chegg's paid model became useless. Subscribers vanished, traffic collapsed, and layoffs followed. Chegg has become the first major company to be effectively wiped out by AI. Not because of competition, but because of user behavior shifted overnight. The lesson is brutal. If your business can be replaced by a free chatbot, it's already on borrowed time. After 15 years, Tim Cook is stepping down as a CEO of Apple. The man who followed Steve Jobs and built a $4 trillion empire is now stepping down right as Apple enters its AI era. The next CEO will be John Ternus. And this isn't just a leadership change, it's happening at a very specific moment when Apple is preparing for AI-first devices, robotics, and a completely new ecosystem. Which signals one thing clearly: Apple is stepping into the AI race. OpenAI just released a GPT 5.5 Pro, and this is not a normal update. It scored 82.7% on Terminal Bench 2.0, beating top competitors in coding. It can write production-level codes, debug systems, and fix errors like senior engineer. This changes everything because AI is no longer assisting developers. It's starting to replace parts of development itself. And now, the biggest shock of the week, Kimi K2.6, an AI that doesn't just respond, it delivers finished work. Upload 100 job descriptions, you get 100 tailored CVs. Upload research papers, you get a full literature review. Not answers, outputs. And here's the real disruption. It's open source and insanely cheap. This is no longer an AI assistant. This is an entire department in one tool. And now, the AI race has changed. It's not about who's the smartest anymore. It's about who gets the work done. And that's the wrap of this week's AI Ki Taza Khabar. Now I want to know from you, which update shocked you? And subscribe if you want to stay ahead in AI.